morning. So today we're going to do a bit of maintenance on the van. We're getting new back tyres and we're going to try and put an awning up, and we're going to put like little USB plugs and stuff around as well. So I'll show you this. See if like this split comes up in the tyre. See if I can get it on camera.
There's a split in the sidewall there.
Yeah.
Through there. It goes quite deep.
Yeah, a bit worried about that.
Especially with the weight of the van.
We want what the front tyres we want, those.
Yeah, we're going to put another pair of them on. BF Goodriches.
I don't know much about tyres, but apparently they're good. Yeah. Anyway, see you down there.
Oh, stop it. She's a pain in the arse. Piss taker. Constantly. You know, it's very hard to talk to a camera when you've never talked to a camera before. And focus on it and realise that there's millions of people behind it.
You probably want to put it high. There you go. Yay!
Yay! It looks like it's too high now.
No, it's not. Because I looked at it before.
Anyway. We're getting some new tyres for the back of some rear tyres for Vinnie today. The old ones on it are a cheap make, and they've got one of them's got a big split in the sidewall, so we really need to get rid of them. She's originally got BF Goodrich KO2s on the front, and we need to get some BF Goodrich KO2s on the back to match. Plus they got white wall writing and they look really cool, so that's really the reason we're getting them done. Don't tell Sandy.
Well, we need the white writing. We're spending how much for white writing on the side of the...
white writing is free.
Oh, good.
It doesn't cost extra for white writing, but it just looks cool.
Alright.
It makes it look young and hip.
Well, we'll just wait here until... Oh, look at this view. The view. Look at the Rapper's queue. They actually do vegan stuff now, which is good. We're going to go in there in a second. Oh, I think they're opening.
Look at the happy workers. Anticipating a day of hard labour.
I can't see him. So we got the tyres, and then we thought to ourselves, well, let's just browse some scooter shops. Because we were thinking of putting on a scooter on the back of the Sprinter. It's just handy when you go places, just to scoot off, have dinner somewhere, and scoot back. So we came down to Honda, where we bought our other bikes from. And we now own a Honda Dio 110cc scooter. Very unexpected, but I think I'll put a picture of it so you can see here. But yeah.
And we're now off to rack and roll.
And now we're off to, we bought a couple of helmets, we're sorted out, and now we're off to rack and roll. Apparently, because we looked at racks at Honda, but they're specific for dirt bikes, and because it doesn't have the foot pedals, he was saying, and
the foot pegs, yeah.
And the rack is actually a lot fatter for the fatter wheels. So we're actually going to rack and roll, and because they do specific ones for scooters to go on back of vans, so a lot more money is spent today than we originally thought, but yeah, you know, it's needed, isn't it? Anyway, we'll see you then. Bye.
we've got Vinnie. She's got a broken passenger side mirror. We got it like that when we bought her, so it's about time we got it fixed. So we've got a replacement one off of eBay, like so. It's got sticky backs, and what you do is you clean up the old mirror and then stick it on. Bob's your uncle, you've got yourself a nice new mirror. So I'm going to take you outside and show you how to do it. Right, the installation of this, pretty simple. Take off the double-sided sticky tape backing. I'll put a few extra ones on there to make sure I really get a good fit. And then this is the tricky bit, because you're going to get do this once. Make sure you line it up. Bit of pressure. There you go. $20 fix, and you haven't got to buy yourself a brand new side mirror. And then finally we add a little self-adhesive stick-on blind spot mirror, because this is a big old beast and we need all the help we can get to see around it while we're in traffic.
Hello. We are going to, well, we're going to attempt to remove this awning and install the second one. We'll show you a bit more detail when Tim gets it out of the garage. But first we're just going to take this down and see if it can be mounted. I don't know if you can see, but we've got like, see the roof racks there? I'm going to try and mount it on there. But we just want to take that one off just to see if that'll actually work. So, hello. So Tim has got his work pants on. And let's start.
We need to put some rust coat up on there and repaint the roof, because it's getting a little bit rusty up there.
Are they the new mounts, are they?
Yep. They go on like so. Bolted into place.
Do you have 4 of them?
I've got 3, but I can cut one in half, so I've got 4.
Oh, right, okay.
Because I've got a long one. And then it just hooks on and sits in place. But I'm going to put some paint on here where it's been rubbing.
Oh, do you have some?
I should have some. Rightio, we're going to put the F45 FIAMMA Awning up. We got this cheap off of Facebook Marketplace. Great place. We saved ourselves about $700 buying it second hand. There's nothing wrong with it, so we're just going to pop it up in place and hopefully not remove too many knuckles.
We'll show it to you. Probably way better. I mean, it's got a few
Dirty marks on it.
dirty marks and
That can be cleaned.
etc. But yeah,
This thing's heavy, so I'm going to have to get you up the ladder.
yeah, I help.
So how this thing works there's a little lip that goes over the top edge of those brackets. So when we lift it up, it's going to go clip on, and then once it's in place, it should stay there.
Hopefully.
That's what we hope, anyway.
All right, let's get it.
So I need to just up there to help guide.
Let's get to it. So we're going to have to, I can't see. So that bracket does not line up, so it's holding up the solar panel, but we think we can move that bracket over and do two things at once here. So we will try. So as you can see, we've changed our clothes. It's a brand new day. And we had to pack up early the other day because it was going to rain, and I don't know if you're aware, but having an awning out while it's raining and not being able to let it dry is not really that good for the awning. You need to be able to...
it goes mouldy.
Yeah, you need to be able to roll it in when it's completely dry. So we decided to pack up quickly and show you the awning today. As you can see, beautiful day. Glorious. And yeah, we can show you it properly. See behind us.
And here it is.
All set up, so we'll just show you how it's done.
Yeah, we originally changed the awning because the old one was like at least a two-man job, and it took a while to get out. This has been put on because we wanted to be able to, so Sandy can put the awning out on her own.
Yeah, so I
can put the awning out on my own. You know, you just want to make it simple. You don't need two people, especially if you need to put it away quickly. Recently we got caught in a storm. And it took 4 of us to put it away because the thing was trying to fly off with us on it. So
yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
Wish we had the camera that day. I actually put this up by myself just before I started recording, so it's a pretty easy job. Yeah, let's show you. Yeah.
Rightio. Here we go. The purpose of the little step ladder is that we're parked on a steep drive here, so Sandy needs a step ladder. Normally when we're at a campsite, this isn't going to be an issue. So first off, Sandy brings it out about a foot, and then she pops down each leg. Very well demonstrated there. These slide down and locked into place by a twist nut, like a wing nut on it. Pretty simple. The legs don't usually swing away like that. That's just because it's on a driveway that's steep. You can get fixings that go into the side of the van so that you can have it without it standing on the ground, and then you just wind it out. Easy peasy. And then you just adjust the legs as you move out further. And then you wind the awning out to the desired length. There you go, and you secure with the guy ropes, and you adjust it. You can adjust it up and down at each end, and she's finished. And the putting it away is the reverse of the same process.
today and it was helpful to you. So next week we are going to reveal what I gave Tim for his birthday. It's going to be exciting, bit of fun, and hopefully don't break it. So
Spoiler alert.
spoiler. Yeah.
Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed our video.
Please consider subscribing. Like the video. If you do not like it,
Please keep
please
it to
don't
yourself.
say anything. But anyway, we will see you next week.
Bye.
And cheers.
Yes.
Let's enjoy this awning.